And excuse the rockets in the background. I got the AC going because it's hot. Well, this is what the doors look like. I asked if the wife wanted a piece in the center, a strip in the center to pick it apart. She does not like that idea. So, this is what the doors can look like before the glue. I think I have enough spring clamps to do one run at a time. I might use some of my F-style clamps to clamp it in place. I gotta push the the cart forward so I can get in there and grab my clamps, not the pipes, the F clamps and the spring clamps on the bottom, so that I can start gluing this side, truing it up or making it flush to the edge of the door. And then once it's clamped in, I'm gonna go to the big box store and get more spring clamps because I'm gonna need them on this project so that I can do one full glue up tonight. Anyway, that's the project so far. Hope you guys enjoy.